Welcome back, Crammers, to question 15. The diagram shows two parallel lines AB and DEF. BEG is a straight line. Angle DEG is 73 degrees. Angle EBC is 124. Angle ABC is given as W. Work out the value of W. Give reasons for each stage of your working. So first off, we can see that A to B and D to F are parallel. So that means that angle EG is parallel to angle B. So that means that they are congruent. So this is 73 degrees. So we can write here angle EBC is equal to 73 degrees. Therefore, angle B is 73 degrees. Okay. Now that we have angle B and 124, we see that it makes up one whole circle. So we can write here, one circle is equal to 360 degrees. If we subtract 73 and 124, we can then find W. So 360 is equal to 73 plus 124 plus W. So we can actually combine 73 and 124. 73 plus 124 gives us 197. So we have 360 is equal to 197 plus W. We can bring this to the other side. So we have W is equal to 360 minus 197. So we can use our calculator again. 360 minus 197 gives us 163. W is equal to 163 degrees. 163 degrees. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.